Saathi, how can I help? Sorry, what?
I've got an idea.
Well, today I'm going to prepare a chicken karai, as this is one of my favorite dish. So we'll start off with just a bit of chopping up, some garlic and ginger. So roughly about 4 onions for a kilo of chicken. You should be able to smell the garlic and ginger frying away now. So next we're going to add on coriander, but not the coriander leaves, the stem. A lot of people make the mistake of throwing this part away. However, this is the most fragrant and the tastiest part of this is coming along nicely. Now it's time for the garam masala, which I have here. The garam masala basically is made up of, we have some cinnamon, so a couple of sticks of cinnamon, some star anise, 2 star anise, put some bay leaves in there, and also a couple of cardamom. Right, now for the magic part. Chilies. How hot do you want it? I like to use these bullet chilies because what they do, they give you this peppery flavour without the dish being too hot. So I've chucked, that's like 4 pieces, which is 2 whole bullet chilies, and to give that additional fiery taste. Right, so the chicken's going to get added now. All the spices are in there. Here we go, roughly 1 kilo of chicken there, pre-marinated overnight. Yeah, that's going to go in there. So while this is simmering away, let's go and see some of the bedrooms, guys, yeah? Ooh, it's a lovely bathroom. There's 1 bathroom here. 2 single beds. There's a double bedroom here. Wow, this is nice. It's very nice. Oh, it's a lovely, another deluxe bathroom here. Lovely. Very nice. Each one of them. You just need to do that, man, just for the fun of it. Each one of them. Well, as you can see, the food's all ready and I'm ready to go. That's it.